Hey, good morning. So while we've been working on our Dodge Dart, doing the engine stuff, we took the interior into a local upholstery shop to get redone. Basically, I priced out all the stuff online, and it was more expensive just to do the front and rear seat than it was to have this local guy, do the entire interior, including door panels, door handles, rear quarter panels, sun visors, you name it, he did it, or will do it. So anyway, just going to show you a compilation of how it all turned out.
Alright, we're here to pick up the interior, and here's what it looks like. Awesome.
So we got back armrests, sun visors, front armrests, door panels, back quarter panel. We got the seat. This is the back seat right here. And then the front seat is under this blanket right here. Right here. There we go. How is it, Dakota? Comfortable?
Yeah, it's actually pretty comfortable.
It should be. It's all new foam. Nice. Super excited to put this back in the Dart. Looks great.
Awesome.
What do you think?
Amazing. Yeah, it's amazing.
It looks amazing. All right, so just got the upholstery back from the upholstery shop, and boy, what a difference. So let's take a look at it right now. So I had him do the sun visors, kick panels, front seat, door panels, armrest. He actually rebuilt these out of wood, cheaper than buying the plastic chrome ones that you can get online. There's the back armrest, back seat. Yeah, it's gonna look sick when it's all put in the car. Super excited, super happy with it. And actually all of this turned out to be less expensive than just ordering the front and rear seat, burlap, foam, and seat covers. All of this was less expensive than that. They actually rebuilt the door panels and the quarter panels as well. New waterproof wood in the back. So very, very happy. Excited to put it in the Dart. So that last picture you saw, the interior really isn't installed yet. I just placed it in there to kind of get an idea of what it would look like. And I needed room to store it while I rearranged my trailer for storage. So anyway, super excited. It looks gonna look great, and hope to be able to give you a good tour of it once it's installed. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.